Have you ever been to Tractor Supply? Well, probably most everybody has. Tractor Supply is scattered across the country. Tractor Supply was opened by Charles Smith, founded Tractor Supply Company in Chicago in 1938 as a mail-order catalog that sold tractor parts to working farmers. The first retail store was founded in 1939 in Minot, North Dakota. From 1941 to 1946, the company opened stores in Nebraska, Minnesota, and Iowa. In 1967, Tractor Supply opened its first international stores in Canada. 2 years later, Charles Smith sold his controlling interest to the company to National Industries. Present day, the Tractor Supply has 1,900 stores in 49 states. Tractor Supply is one of those farm stores that everybody basically goes to. This is the history behind Tractor Supply. Thanks for watching.